Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing great. So today in this video we are going to see how we can join a particular list to a data frame. So as a data scientist in day-to-day tasks, I quite often come across a scenario where I have to join a list as a column to the data frame. So how we can do that? So let's begin. So I'll just import pandas. Primarily, I need pandas as PD. Then I'll load my main data set, and then I have a list. So this data frame tells about that a particular day, how much was the humidity, whether it was sunny, and how was the wind speed. So this data, based on that, I got the predictions from the machine learning model that gave me a probability whether it will rain or it will not rain. So this list provides me that probability of corresponding rows in the data frame. So for Monday it is 0.78, for Tuesday it's 0.33, so on and so forth. And I want to join this particular list as a column to the respective rows. I hope the problem statement is quite clear. So let's begin. So in this scenario, we have equal number of values in the list as the equal number of rows in the data frame, and the order is the same. So we need to check first that the number of rows is equal to number of elements in this list. So I'll do a quick check. I'll check the length of the rows and length of the list, and if it's equal, then we can proceed. And it's true, that means it's equal. And then what I'll do is I'll create one data frame as pred, which will be a prediction data frame with only the list values as one column, and I'll name that column as rain prediction probability. So I'm passing the list inside pd data frame, and I'm passing one more argument, that is columns, with column name that I thought would be appropriate rain prediction probability. And then I'll execute it, and I'll get a data frame which has only one column named rain prediction probability. Now I will join these two data frames, the one which is the main data frame, and I want to join this prediction to this data frame in the end. So what I'll do is I'll just concatenate it using pd.concat, and inside the parenthesis I will pass a list of data frame in this order, df, pred. If you change the order, then the prediction column will come first and then the rest of the columns. But I have given df first and then the prediction, and I will pass axis as 1. So why we are passing axis as 1? Because we want to do the column concatenation. If I had passed 0 to it, then it would have done the row concatenation. But here we want column concatenation, which is correct as per the business scenario, as per the requirement, and I'll execute this particular code, and I'll get my data frame with predictions as the final column. So this was a pretty simple scenario with which you can carry out dynamically in your analysis or your building a machine learning pipeline. You can utilize this, but there are more sophisticated ways that I will be explaining you in upcoming videos. So for now, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.